Steelma are the professional manufacturer for roll forming machine in China. Manual feed shears delivers smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. The video shows the upper layer cutting process of the 770 Corrugated. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. Precision testing: each unit undergoes 72+ hours of trial runs with live material before shipment. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelma always give you proper solution.